Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from MCE Rehabilitation Group have come up with a rehabilitation tool for the spinal cord injuries patient. Before anything, this is our organization chart with all the members and a supervisor included. This project is supervised by technologist Dr. Surati binti Akmal, followed by a project manager who is Nurul Karinisha binti Karul Hamidi. Next, there are 4 engineers for this project. First, Design and Analysis Engineer is Muhammad Syafiq bin Bakri. Second, Manufacturing and Assembly Engineer is Devian Ivan Anak Adrin. Third, Rapid Prototype Engineer is Ahmad Nazra Hassan bin Zainul. And lastly, Costing and Procurement Engineer is Irfan Hisham bin Suhaimi. Many injuries have been reported in worldwide, such as spinal cord injuries. Spinal cord injury reported as one of the most leading diseases in worldwide. An injury higher on the spinal cord can cause paralysis in most of the body and affect all limbs. A lower injury to the spinal cord may cause paralysis affecting the legs and the lower body. Spinal cord injury patients face difficulty with their daily activities such as dressing, eating, typing and exercising. There are a variety of treatment that is used to regain strength and movement of the affected site, including rehabilitation treatment to increase muscle strength and improve quality of life. However, the existing product is much bigger and heavier. It is very hard to move the rehabilitation tools around. Therefore, we have come with a solution by creating a complex yet handy tool for the patient's use, which the aim of the target is to develop the device to increase the neurological ability of the affected people. The objective of this project are first, to analyze the difficulties that the spinal cord injuries patient face and improving the facilities that the physiotherapy workers use for the spinal cord injuries patient's treatment. Second, to design a functional prototype to be used by the spinal cord injuries patient without the help of the physiotherapy workers. Third and the last, to evaluate the proposed design of our product in every aspects.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Nazir Hassan. Today I'm going to present about detail and analysis product. So the first one is product in 3D view. You can see here complete design of product. So the second one is product in exploded view. So we can see by part. So this one the base, pocket, damper and leg part and handle one. So the third one is product in 3 standard view. So we can see here the length of product is 900, the width is 500 and the height is 575. So product analysis, basically we use main material product we use is plain carbon steel. So the yield strength for this product is 220 million, and then the bond mix stress, the higher is 3.493 plus 6, and then the displacement 4.38 negative 2, and then the strength one is 9.56 negative 0 negative 6. So the factor of safety yield strength divided by maximum bond mix stress. So the yield strength for the plain carbon steel is 220 million. So you get 2.206 multiplied by 10 power of 8 and then divide by the bond mix stress. So the maximum is 3.493 multiplied by 10 power of 6. So we get here 93.155. That's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, let's continue about the product's functionality. In this slide, I will explain about the function of the component, how the device works, and then the overall mechanism. Alright, first of all, this is the handle. Patient needs to pull the handle to make the leg part open, and then the handle is connected to the chain by using bolt and nut, and then this is the chain that has been used. As you can see at the top of the shaft, that has been built with the lock because we want to make the leg part can be removed from the base part. And then the sprocket has been connected to the shaft by welding, and then the shaft is through the leg pad to make the leg pad also rotate. The size of the sprocket is 3080, which the big sprocket, because we want to make the force that has been applied to the handle low. That's why we use a big sprocket. We have used hydraulic spring damper, which have 100 Newton to push the plate pad to its original position. So when we pull the handle, the leg pad is not back to original position. So we use hydraulic to push it back. Right, the overall mechanism of this device is patient apply force to the handle, and then to the double chain, from the double chain to the big sprocket, and then the sprocket is well to the shaft apply energy to the leg pad to make the leg pad open, and then the damper used to close it back. Other than that, we have used 4 wheels to make the leg pad move smooth.
Hello and good day everyone, my name is Steven Evan and I will present about product assembly. First of all, our product have 3 main parts. That is the first, second and the third. The third one is the body. The first and second one is for the footrest for the exercise. To open, to assemble and to disassemble this product, we will have 4 parts. The first part is the damper. We will open the pin, the first pin and the second pin, and then we will have the bolt and nut at the chain, and then we will have another bolt and nut, the long one, at the handle. I will show you the video to make sure you will understand this clearly. Okay, to assemble, the first one we have to put the footrest at the shaft here, and then just pin the damper. The same goes to the next one. You have to pin the damper, just pin it, and then you can use the product. But if you open the chain and the handle part, you have to put it back, the bolt and the nut. And as you can see, there is a long bolt and nut. For this disassemble, the same also, we have the 4 part, and I will show you the videos. The first one, you have to open the pin from the damper, as easy as that, and then you can pull out the leg rest, footrest, and then pull out another pin, and you can put the footrest at the side. The next one, if you want to fully disassemble this product, you need to disassemble the chain, and then as we can see, there is a bolt and a nut. Just open it as easy, and then you can get the chain. The same goes to the handle. Just pull it out, and then you can open the handle here, so that you can bring it easy to everywhere. That's all from me. Thank you.
I would like to present about the product testing. So, first thing is, what is product testing? Product testing is the most important type of research any company ever conducts. And to achieve clear-cut product superiority in a category is the surest way to build brand share, enjoy customer loyalty, and boost profitability. It's better the products tend to command higher prices and be more responsive to advertising investment. So here, this is how our product testing looks like.
Okay, this is the demonstration on how the male patient
use the assisting device. The physiotherapist can help the patient to sit on the chair if it is difficult for the patient to do by himself. Okay, let's see how the mechanism looks like. Firstly, the patient need to grip the handle and pull it to move the sprocket and chain. It makes the leg stretcher expands and therefore it can stretch the leg. The damper, which is in white color, is used to control vibrations by dissipating the excess energy and controlling the motion. Okay, now let's see how the female patient use the assisting device by herself. The mechanism is safe for average patient, which is not too serious in spinal cord injury. The patient can control the level of stretch with their own strength, and this shows the safety of manual transmission for an assisting device. The conclusion, it can be shown that by producing a new assisting device, which may help a lot of patients out there, is useful for their field in physiotherapy. The idea which has been outlined and explained in this presentation has been a great idea with affordable cost and can be provided in the hospitals and other public rehabilitation centers. And lastly is by improvising the physiotherapy tool that have been assisted, we hope this product can ease the physiotherapist's works and can help the spinal cord injuries patients to move their legs easily with our mechanism. So this is the conclusion of our video project. Thank you.